So today we're going to be working on the roadrunner, working on the hot side of the turbo system on it. Show you some of the tricks that I use to get it to all work together. Plan is to run about 5 to 7 psi of boost. Should put us up around the 500 horsepower range with this motor. So the only thing done to this motor is it has a real mild cam in it, and an Edelbrock torquer intake. We bought the flanges, and from there it's 1 3/4 pipe for each cylinder, and then it bumps up to 2-inch pipe and then goes into a T3 flange. Over here is the wastegate flange. It's very important that the wastegate flange is in a bend so it can exit all the not needed exhaust. So how I do this is take and get everything mocked up on the car, weld it up, and then drill a hole in each port where it's going to go, and take a burr and cut out all that extra metal so it looks like this in the end. Real nice and clean, smooth transitions. So this is what it should look like in the end. Real nice, smooth transitions. So now we have both turbos mocked up. Plan from here is to run a down pipe the back of the turbo down through here, and then connect that to the existing exhaust underneath the car. Passenger side is already pretty close to being there, just needs to be welded up. So the cold side is going to be real simple. Your 2.5-inch pipe come off of each turbo, go into a Y right about here, bump up to a 4-inch and go in the hat. So you got the exhaust mocked up going down to the exhaust up underneath the car. Goes down beside the starter and the Z-bar. Just need to weld it up and it'll be good to go. So now I'm going to work on running the wastegate back into the down pipe. The wastegates are there and down there. The 44mm wastegates. It's perfect for 1 3/4 piping. Got some bendable pipe, a few straight pieces. See what I can get made here. So the wastegate exits over here on this side. The plan is to take 1 3/4 90 and cut it down about right there, and then go up into the down pipe right about there. So the motor is nothing special. It's a 383 cubic inch big block, stock heads, stock everything except for cam and intake. Nothing else has been changed. It's factory rods, pistons, crank. The cam is 480 lift, comp cams. Other than that, nothing special about this motor. There's going to be multiple parts to this build, so stick around for part 2.